Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of linear equations. We are going to solve a very unique kind of word problem over here. We have done these word problems before as well, but this is a very unique pattern and I hope you understand this pattern because understanding the pattern will make the question very easy to solve. So let's start solving this one. There are places A and B that are 80 kilometers apart, okay? A and B that are 80 kilometers apart. So this is 80 kilometers apart. A car starts from A and another from B at the same time, and if they move in the same direction, they may meet in 8 hours, and if they move in the opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour 20 minutes. Find the speed of the car. Now, this question you have to remember that whether the car moves in the same direction or whether the car moves in the opposite direction, the total distance traveled by the car is 80 kilometers only. Okay, the total distance traveled by the car is 80 kilometers only. But when the cars are traveling in the same direction, imagine they are going in the same direction, which is like this. Okay, opposite direction, they are going like this. If the cars are going in the same direction like this, their speed gets subtracted. Whereas when they're going in the opposite direction, their speed gets added. Okay, and this addition of speed or subtraction of speed happens because the reduction in the distance is happening with the relative speed or the relative velocity. Okay, so when the cars are traveling in the same direction like this, when the cars are traveling in the same direction like this, whatever distance A covers, some amount of that effort is taken away by B because they're moving in the same direction. B is kind of running away from A. Whereas when they are traveling in the opposite direction, when they're traveling in the opposite direction, the speed gets added because whatever A is covering, B is adding to that. Okay, with this in mind, let's start solving this one. This makes our question solving very easy because remember, if they move in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. Okay, so 80 kilometers is the distance divided by their speed, which is A plus B. This is when they move in opposite direction. Okay, when they move in opposite direction, and when they move in the same direction, it will become 80 upon A minus B. And when they move in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. When they move in opposite direction, it will be 1 hour and 20 minutes. So it will be 1 plus 20 by 60. This is 1 by 3, and this becomes equal to 4 by 3. If I solve for this, what I actually get is A plus B is equal to 80 into 3, 240 by 4, that is 60, and A minus B becomes equal to 10. Solving for this, we get, this is very easy to solve. I get A is equal to 35 and I get B is equal to 25. And this, my friends, is the solution to the question. A is equal to 35 and B is equal to 25 is the solution to the question. I hope you found this solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any mathematics questions for you, do shoot your questions at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.